Good afternoon, mentors and judges. I hope you all are having a good day. My name is Adavya Sharma, and alongside my partners, we'll be presenting our own solution to improving the living experience of residents in Chinatown. Lotus, our very own web app. To set this off, I will first want to acknowledge thanks to Chinatown Hack organizers and program for providing an amazing opportunity to students like me to learn and collaborate with like-minded individuals. Overall, I was able to benefit from the experiences and ideas of peers and mentors, as well as contribute my own thoughts. While brainstorming for a project idea, I came to a glaring realization of the harsh reality of residents across Chinatown. From tourists to members across that live in Chinatown, they experience many difficult issues from crime to housing uh, to maybe just getting their business started. Without further ado, I let Ryan Sharma, partner from our team, to take it away for the beginning of the demo.
Hi judges, and I'm going to be showing you how our web app works. So to get started, just click get started, fill in your name. Let's do Adavia Sharma. Let's fill in an email and choose a password. It'll create an account. It'll ask you which language you want to choose. We know that elderly people and maybe people who don't speak English may be able to use this feature and communicate with our chatbot. For now, let's just use English. This chatbot will ask us a series of questions and build a user profile that will allow us to have a set understanding of their situation, of what they need, and what forms they need to fill out in case they require assistance or aid. So it'll ask us a set of questions.
So here what we're basically doing is that we found a lot of grants across San Francisco and the local area, and we're basically just asking our users the most asked questions in these grant applications. So after this, we'll be able to recommend um, Chinatown users essentially grants or any sort of housing assistance that can be given. I mean, we all know how bad affordable housing is across San Francisco, and here are the grants.
So these are the available aid programs we can apply to. These grants uh, we may qualify for, however, they're just not accepting applications or maybe some other issues. We can apply for this grant right here or aid right here. We can continue our application, and through Selenium, we can utilize an uh, virtual computer and fill out the form on behalf of the user in case they can't interpret it. And in case they want to fill it out themselves, afterwards we'll show you our AI chatbot, which will allow users to use documents and fill it out hands-on with the help of AI in case they don't understand it. Here, it just finished the SF ERAP application. Uh, Now, if we want to do the application ourselves, we can go to one of our three AI assistants. Let's go to Legal Expert for now, and we can talk to legal experts and ask it questions based on our documents. We have, um,
Yeah. So I can go more into this. And the best thing about Legal Expert is that we're able to basically ask any sort of general question that we have. Again, we're able to be given all these different inputs from camera to audio input to file inputs. But just for this demo, let's just ask a quick prompt. So maybe I want to ask something about give me some information about Chinatown residency. So if we enter that in, one issue that we did encounter is that um, we have some issues with CSS styling from our JSON outputs from our LLM API, but we can see the displays right here. So we see the response given. So we didn't specify obviously a federal document, but we can see the text response given by our API. But if we go into one of the other functions, for example, like document analyzer, we're able to upload This is used for basically interpreting any sort of files, or we all know how difficult government websites are to navigate, or how difficult it could be to read and comprehend or understand mail. So, for example, we just have a test document here, a PNG file that is essentially just a document from the IRS, and we're able to just ask it to let me explain what this is saying in simple terms and tell me what I should do next, for example. So what's basically going to happen is that this image is essentially sent um, uh, through OCR. Sorry, let me do that one more time. Essentially, OCR analyzes the images and extracts all the text. We have a few custom models to make OCR a little easier. We use Tesseract in this, and we can do this means. So from this, we're basically able to analyze, and after the OCR extraction, again, we send it to our LLM API, and then we get our response once again. And yeah, here we have an entire explanation. So we see this documents from the IRS, for example, tax credit or deduction. We see that we get input that the user had filed a claim earlier, and we also can see the amount that's listed as well for $15,485. So we get a pretty good detailed explanation of what's going on. And once again, we can change the languages and everything based on the language barrier that's available. And yeah, that basically sums it up for basically making consumers and users better understand the world of San Francisco Chinatown, especially the residents who are recent immigrants to this area. Thank you for listening, and we hope you like our product. Bye bye.